idea how toxic synthetic braiding hair is, and all of the different braiding hair that we use that looks like afro textured hair, that stuff is poisonous, okay? Yeah, seriously. So harmful chemicals such as polyethylene tetraphthalate or PET, polypropylene or PP, and polyvinyl chloride are chemicals linked to a range of health issues, including skin irritation, respiratory problems like asthma, and even cancer. All right.
I noticed my hair was itching and it was just difficult to breathe overall.
A report found potentially cancer-causing chemicals in synthetic braiding hair that's often marketed to Black women. Medical student Crystal Thomas says she had some negative health symptoms after using synthetic hair, so she started doing research and published her findings in an academic journal.
So as you just saw, most braiding hair contains chemicals that can irritate your scalp. That's why today I'm showing you how to detoxify your braids properly before installing them. So step 1, first things first. Grab a clean sink or basin. Close the drain using a sink stopper so that the water doesn't run out. Now fill in with cool water or lukewarm, not hot at all. The next, add apple cider vinegar. Why am I adding apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar helps remove chemical coatings from synthetic hair. It reduces scalp irritation and itchiness, and it also balances your pH, making the braids gentler on your scalp. So please don't skip. This is the main step. Then next, we are going to soak our braids. Today, guys, I'm using the Sunshine crochet braids. They're beautiful ones installed. You can see from the photo here. All right, so gently press them into the water and let them fully soak. You will start noticing some white, cloudy, or foamy residue in the water. Guys, do not panic. Once you start seeing that, you can see that's just the chemical coating being lifted off the braids. That's exactly what we want. So let the braids sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can stir them gently a few times, but just let the vinegar do its job. And guys, if you watched up to this point, it means you actually care about your hair health. So please comment detox below and give me a thumbs up so that I know you're serious about just protecting your scalp, guys. Anyway, so after soaking, remove all the braids. I like to rinse mine twice to make sure all the vinegar and residue are completely gone. So once you've removed the braids, just rinse them. Then after that, you just lay them flat or hang them to air dry completely before installing, and make sure they are fully dry. So this is just an optional softening tip that I want to give you. If they feel a little stiff after drying, you can apply a small amount of lightweight oil to soften them. All right. So detox your braids, guys. Less itching, happier scalp, better installs. Guys, if you've loved this and you want to see more like this, please hit the thumbs up. I want to see you next time in the next video. Watch how I do the boho curls above here, and even watch how to make your avocado oil at home. Bye bye. See you in the next one.